first of all, before we even start, can I please just say, if a sale is happening, please don't tell me about it, because I will walk away with things that I probably didn't need, because that has happened before in the past. It didn't happen this time. I actually bought stuff that I do need, but I'm just saying, okay, sales. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing amazing. Those of you who do not already know me, my name is Naledi. So I recently went and bought a few things from a store called Grace the Brand. Okay, so basically what happened was I was actually looking for like jewelry. By the way, I spent my money on this jewelry. This is not like sponsored or anything. This is actually jewelry that I bought, and I want to share it with you guys because I feel like it's important for us to all have, you know, the right items in our closet, and we should have our basics, and that includes our jewelry. Okay, so here's the thing, right?
Let me tell you something.
When it comes to sort of how I like to do my shopping, it's important for you to always have sort of your basics, right? So your basics with clothing, for example, will be your black and your white bodysuits, simple pair of trainers, a simple pair of heels, before you start adding everything else into your closet. I feel like it's the same thing with hair. Like if you wear wigs at all, you want your simple black hair, your simple lighter colored hair, a bob, you know, just like a normal closure wig. Obviously, if you are someone who does enjoy doing the whole like crazy wig look, crazy outfits every single day, that's amazing, and you should carry on doing that. But I think in general, sometimes if you don't really know where to go with your closet, it's better to start off with having your basics. So I feel like it's the same thing with jewelry, right? When it comes to buying jewelry, if you don't really know what your style is yet, it's important for you to start off with basics, right? So a basic pair of earrings, a basic necklace, just things that you can kind of put on with any outfit. For me, it's important to have jewelry that does not tarnish quickly, because I'm definitely the kind of person who buy jewelry that is like, you know, not tarnish proof, like rings for example, and I'll wash my hands with it, and you know, a few days later it's already starting to tarnish. I was looking for jewelry that is not only affordable but also tarnish proof. Luckily I was able to find that with Grace the Brand jewelry. Their jewelry is so affordable, guys. I promise you, their jewelry is affordable. It is worth it, because I can go ahead and, you know, have a swim, or I can hop into the shower, I can go to sleep, I can put on lotion.
2 hours later.
I can hop into the sea, I can, you know, go stand in the sun, I can go cook with it. Like honestly, it doesn't matter what I do. The jewelry is tarnish proof, so it's not actually going to start wearing off so soon. I did read on their website that I think tarnish proof jewelry, if taken care of properly, can last you at least a year. Obviously, if you really take care of your jewelry, then it's going to last you a lot longer than a year. But the jewelry that I have right now, I have actually tested it out. I've had 0 issues so far. There are directions on how you can take care of your jewelry on the website. I very recently went and looked at a bunch of stores online and started shopping. Well, not really shopping, I was kind of window shopping online on Instagram. I followed a few different jewelry stores. Grace the Brand was actually one of the stores that I followed recently, because I really liked the style of their jewelry, and I felt like their jewelry was pretty decently priced. They were having a 100 Rand sale. Now, I did not plan on buying anything that day. Honestly, I was just minding my own business, sitting online, and then a Grace the Brand story popped up, right? Like up there on the stories tab, whatever it is. And I went onto their stories and I saw that they were having a 100 Rand sale, and obviously I jumped, because why wouldn't you? I got onto their site, and already I think the sale had been going on for like a few hours or something. So a lot of the pieces that I wanted, very sad about it, had already been bought. But I was able to get quite a few things that I'm excited to share with you guys. With their 100 Rand sale, I was able to get about 10 items. So I'm very excited about that one. And then I think if you spend between 800 Rand and 900 Rand, you get free delivery. Delivery was very quick and efficient. In terms of their like responsiveness and emails and stuff like that, they're pretty good, because I do remember I put in the wrong email address, like not the wrong email address, I put in an email address that like doesn't exist, but I was able to just contact them and let them know, hey, I've made this mistake, I do need to track my parcel, can you please help me out with this? And they were very kind and very efficient, very responsive, got back to me very quickly, helped me out, set up up the correct email address. I was able to track my items. I received everything and there were absolutely no hassles. I've already opened the package obviously because I was really excited to get into it. Once you open your little courier package, then you have this little bag over here. It says over here, thank you for your orders. Once you open the bag, this is what you have when you open up your little package. So I ordered about 10 items as I said before, and each of those 10 items came in this like big bag, and then each of those items are in their own little bags. What I like about this bag over here is the fact that I can travel, and this will fit into pretty much any bag. I mean, this bag alone can fit into a handbag, so a travel bag, it's going to be easy. And also because of the material that they used, there won't be any water or anything getting onto it. And within this little bag you have these smaller bags. It says Grace the brand. I hope you guys can see that properly. If I'm going to be doing something in the day and I have something else at night, and let's say I have a pair of earrings I want to wear during the day and then later on I want to switch them up, I can bring my jewelry in one of these. It's going to be safe in my bag. It's not gonna you know, clash with anything. It's not gonna scratch on anything. Nothing's gonna scratch on it because it's protected. So I want to show you guys the pieces of jewelry that I have very quickly. My favorite item is probably this pair of earrings. I think I'm actually going to put these on right now because I really like these. I have zero jewelry on for this video because honestly I've pretty much like rejected all my other pieces of jewelry. The pair of earrings that I just put on my ears are called the Alaya Creole hoops. Acrylics make everything hard to open. Okay, so I also bought this necklace. It's like literally my favorite thing. Like, I want to show you guys. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. This necklace is called the Camilla triple layer necklace. It's simple, but it definitely makes a statement. And you know what? I'm gonna put this on too. We can pretty much just call this video a get ready with me, because that's basically what it is at this point. Get ready with me. Help me put on my jewelry. Help me put on my jewelry and see me struggle with my acrylics. I'm struggling with these acrylics and 30-inch wig, child. My God. There we go. There we go. How does it look? I feel very pretty. The thing is, I can't even see what I look like, but I feel very, very pretty with this jewelry on. I obviously needed to have something that was going to match this necklace, so I went and bought a bracelet that is very similar to the style of this necklace. It's like a 3-layered bracelet, triple Jagger bracelet. Guys, I hope I'm not saying it wrong. I don't know if it's Jaeger or Jagger. I'm gonna say Jagger because like it has jagged edges. I hope I'm not butchering the name. Not like 100% jagged, but like this stuff does hook onto my arm hair. So I also went and bought another bracelet. It's a very simple bracelet. It's nothing like the one I'm wearing right now. It's like literally it's just that. How pretty. This is the Maeve minimal bracelet. If I'm saying it wrong, do not come for me, but I think it says Maeve or Meave or Maeve. I hope it's Maeve. Very, very simple. It's like one of those like everyday bracelets, like you don't ever actually have to take it off. And I decided that I wanted this bracelet in like a bracelet but also something for my ankle, so I bought 2 of them. I'm gonna wear one as a bracelet, one as an anklet, just to sort of have like, you know, a nice cute little like matchy vibe. And I obviously had to get like a necklace that was going to match the bracelet and the ankle, so I went and I bought a necklace that matches the bracelet over here as well as the anklet. I'm not going to wear the anklet right now obviously because you guys can't see, but I can wear this with pretty much anything and it will just kind of seamlessly blend into whatever outfit I'm wearing. It won't stand out too much and it won't kind of be mismatched, because whatever outfit I put on, it's gonna look amazing with, and I'm gonna put it on with this necklace. So we'll have like 4 layers right now sitting on my neck. This necklace is called the Maeve Minimal Necklace. Also on the website it does say perfect for layering, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Next I have another pair of earrings. I have never worn these earrings, by the way. They have not even come out of the packet the package yet. This is the first time. See how special you guys are. Ooh, these are so pretty. I've never actually looked at these. This is so pretty. Please look at them. Look guys, they're so pretty. Like, they're so shiny. Guys, this tone of gold is also so nice. I want to put these ones also like on. By the way, I have like 2 holes per ear because when I was a child, right, I got my ears pierced the first time. I was at the beach apparently. I don't remember the story, but I was told the story is at the beach and one of my earrings actually got lost in the sea. You know this whole story about like don't wear your favorite items to the sea because the sea likes pretty things, whatever. I've heard that story so many times and I've heard of so many people who've lost jewelry in the sea. If you wear jewelry in the sea will take it away from you, and the sea did take a very nice earring from me. The sea likes pretty things, and if you wear pretty things to the beach, the sea will take it from you. That's exactly what happened to me. I was a child and I guess like there's a part of me in the sea now, let's just put it that way. So we have the Katlejo hoops right here, I don't know if you guys can see, and then we have the Alai Creole hoops. You can definitely get into the seawater with these, but I will not be doing that because I'm not going to be having another pair of earrings taken away from me. But anyway, after I got my ears pierced and then obviously that earring came out, we thought that that hole had closed because that's kind of how it works. Once you get a piercing done, you have to wear whatever jewelry you're wearing so that the hole doesn't close again. So we thought it was closed, so I decided to go and get pierced again because I wanted earrings. So now I've got 2 different places where my ears are pierced, but in the same area. And it's not like I got them pierced for like, you know, because I wanted like another extra hole. It's not that kind of vibe. Like, I literally thought my ears were closed, my holes were closed, and that's why I got another piercing. So now I've got 4 in total, 2 on each ear, and I can kind of design my ears and do my own little thing, so that's fun. The next item I got is a ring because obviously you cannot go jewelry shopping and not buy rings. That is what it looks like. Please do not look at my hairy knuckles. Okay, so the name of this ring is called the Luandi rope ring. Very pretty. I really like Luandi, guys. Luandi is so pretty. Please look at Luandi on my hand. Isn't she pretty? I'm hiding my nails, by the way, because I need to go get my nails done. But I still want you to see the ring. Can you see it? It's so pretty. How pretty is it? Take a shot every time I say pretty. I love chunky rings and I love very detailed rings. I like very simple rings. I feel like a good set of rings on the hands, you need to have your simple ring and then you need to have like your either chunkier or like more detailed rings. So I didn't get something super simple. This is the most simple ring I have, but I did get myself something with a zebra print on it. It's such a statement. The reason I have this ring is because my name is Naledi. So I got myself a star ring. My name is Naledi, obviously. Naledi means star. If you ask me what my name is, exactly. How many followers do you have? Exactly.
God, how many followers do you have? Exactly.
I'm very happy with my purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. By the way, I just want to say that the hair that I'm wearing in this video is from Shara Hair. I'm going to include a link in the description box as well as my discount code if you want some money off. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys sitting until the end of the video. Go ahead and check out Grace the brand. I'm really excited to hear what you guys think. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys because I'm excited about these pieces and wearing these pieces and sharing these pieces with you guys. So I hope you guys go ahead and find your pieces, find your basics for your closet, and we can kind of talk about it and share, you know, what we got, what we like. And anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really appreciate it. Please make sure that you like, comment, as well as subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Exactly.